Halata na nagsinungaling ka.
Nasa dokumento harap-harapan na po. Mahirap naman yung ganito, konting respeto po.
Again, may I clarify again, please? Ma'am, it's an extradition form. That's why the questions are answerable by another jurisdiction, but not our jurisdiction. So it's very hard to answer something that works in a different manner.
Hindi nga sir, ang tinatanong namin sa kanya is kung nandun man siya the whole time, hindi man niya, alam niya na hindi dinala si President Duterte sa isang competent court. Kung sabihin niya, hindi niya alam.
Kaya ho nag-suffice.
Siya nga nagsabi na siya nag-oversee sa operation. Tapos hindi niya alam na kung dinala o hindi.
I hope we can do citing. Because, sir, kaya ho nag-suffice sa certification ng Prosecutor General. Yung certification po ng DOJ is because under their system of government, under the system of the ICC, ang prosecutor is competent judicial authority. That's why it's very foreign to Ambassador Lacanilao. Hindi naman ho madaling malaman yan unless until ho pinaliwanag yan ni Justice Ascuna sa atin.
Ay, hindi
magkaiba
naman,
po talaga
hindi naman
ang pagtingin.
Hindi maliwanagan, national. Sabi naman national ang liwanag naman General Torre. Ano ba talaga yung dahilan kung bakit nagmamadali? Sinabi mo na hindi naman...
Madam Chair, you brought...
yes, the ambassador is cited in contempt. I'm sorry. Yes, General Torre, please, we'd like you to be a little bit more forthright and straightforward. What was the real reason for the rush? You yourself said this was an arrest with a warrant. Therefore, no reglementary period as articulated by Article 125 applies. Bakit kayo nagmamadali? Eto nga, may sakit yung tao.
Ma'am, I don't have that impression na nagmamadali ako. I waited for 12 hours. I worked for 12 hours to make sure that he boards on the plane. Yung purpose namin is to bring him to the plane because that's the order. That's my order and that's my mission. So,
who gave you the order?
Sir.
Who gave you the order?
The Chief of the Philippine National Police, sir.
The chief, you are giving orders to the CIDG. Who gave you that order?
Sir, I'll invoke my executive privilege.
Bakit executive privilege po? Paano naging executive privilege po? Nangyari na, tapos na Sino nag-order?
Ano yung tanong, ma'am?
Po?
Can I know the question? Kasi before we come to ask for the consideration of the body, because can we have a 2 minutes break so I can just whisper to you?
I'll give you the break. In the meantime, can we just finish? Tapusin lang po natin tapos mag-break po tayo. Okay, si Senator Bato, please. May tinatanong yata siya kay Chief PNP. At dito ay may kinalaman sa chain of command lang naman. Pakaliwanag. Sinabi na naman ni DOJ...
That's executive privilege po. Basta usapan na po with executive department, hindi na ho namin pwedeng ilabas dito. I think those matters are a matter of executive privilege. The executive department, especially on the top level, kasama na po kami. Executive privilege, but I have gone as far as saying I gave the clearance.
Yes, you have. Clearance, but not
interpreted both ways, sir.
Well, clarified natin, sir. You gave the order or you gave the clearance?
I gave the clearance to the SILG.
To the SILG?
Yes.
So meaning the SILG was the one who gave the orders to the GPNP?
Well, that's why we are citing executive privilege, because we do not want to be drawn into this long discussion.
Yes, I'm sorry it's so long, but it's also because certain witnesses have been so evasive. Arresting the president or the former president is not the quintessential and non-delegable power of the president, diba? Yun ang maliwanag sa Senate